Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Teri sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadiseta English Medium School, Muttanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the great persons. His name is Helen Keller. Helen Keller. So, it is a prose of Unit 5th. Okay. So, I am reading the content and I will explain according to the paragraph wise. Listen carefully and try to read yourself. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Where? Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. Okay, in 1880 there was summer season in 88. So a healthy baby, very strong in physically. Okay, her name was given Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. Actually, what happens? One day the fever came to him. So the fever increasing day by day. The temperature became high day by day. Every person tried very hard to reduce the fever. But what will happen? Everybody said that no, he won't live further. Definitely, she will die. Helen lived, but she was not same after her illness. Something is very wrong. Her mother said at last they found out what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. What happens? He got cured from the disease, but she was not the same as before. Something was wrong. The parents later they came to know that what was the problems, that she could not hear and she could not see. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt very sorry for her. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. Give me the poor child, what she want? Her father would say. Anytime she used to cry, and her father used to say, give the child what she want. Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. Her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart. She said and added, the problem is, how can we reach her? She is locked up inside herself. Helen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. So what happens? So everybody used to say that she cannot listen, she cannot hear. So she is very difficult, she cannot learn anything. She cannot learn anything. Her life wasted. Every person used to say like that. But her mother said, no, impossible. My daughter Helen Keller is very smart, very talented. But thinking that how we have to reach to her. When we reached her, definitely she can capture and she will she will do anything. Thinking that how we can reach, that is the main reasons. But whenever she grow bigger and bigger, she never allowed to comb her hair near to her. and her dress were so dirty. किसी को पास में आने नहीं देती थी, कोम करने के लिए आने नहीं देती थी, ड्रेस चेंज करने के लिए भी आने नहीं देती थी, क्योंकि उनको सुनाई नहीं देती, दिखाई नहीं देती, बहुत तकलीफ अंदर से। तो वो लड़की किसी को पास में आने नहीं देती थी, बहुत तकलीफ होती थी। इवन ड्रेस चेंज करने के लिए भी उनको किसी को पास को आना नहीं देती। इसी वजह से उनका ड्रेस वगैरह सब कुछ गंदी गंदी तरह थी। शी वॉज ऑफन एंग्री, ज़्यादा गुस्सा आती थी उसकी। समटाइम्स शी इवन ले ऑन द फ्लोर एंड किक्ड हर फिट्स, कभी कभी नीचे गिर जाती थी, कभी कभी नीचे लात मारती थी, ऐसा गुस्सा में। हर पेरेंट्स थॉट दैट दे शुड फाइंड अ टीचर फॉर हर। बाद में उनका पेरेंट्स समझ गए उनको कुछ अच्छा टीचर आवश्यक है। शी नीड अ स्किलफुल टीचर। मिस सलीवान, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. D-O-L-L spells doll. She spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. Just Helen hands wrote D-O-L-L. She used to write in her hand and he used to catch the things. One side has the things, another side D-O-L-L. He used to write on her hand. Who? The teacher. One day he did like this. Who? Miss Sullivan. Then what happens? Helen copied her teacher and spelt D-O-L-L too. The Helen also wrote her teacher's hand. He also copied. She didn't understand what she was doing. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. Actually, what she is doing, she didn't understand, but she started to like Miss Sullivan. Who? Helen Keller. She was strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand day and night to make Helen understand. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled W-O-T-E-R. Again the same way he spelled on her hand. Suddenly Helen understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. She understood that words. Then what happens? So one day he took in fountains of waterfall something in running water. He put the hand of Helen into the running water. At that time he spelled W-O-T-E-R. Suddenly he captured and he realized that W-O-T-E-R means something wet things and which is running over the hand. Oh, this is, she realized. Then what happens? She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Then after Helen Keller understand that like this I came to know all the things of all of the world. She realized and she thought in this way she learned many words of the things. Who? The Helen Keller. So my dear students, I hope you understand these relations better. So whenever you have any doubt, definitely you can ask to me. Okay, so till then keep smile. Bye bye, and read well the question and answer each and everything. Okay.